In primetime news this evening, nabbed in Jamaica, suspect in Haitian president's assassination held in Manchester. Prime Minister weighs in on the cult-related murders in St. James. And later, Chambers' family in mourning. Relatives of man murdered by St. Thomas mob speak out.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News, live on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green. Also this evening, the business day, Primetime Sports, sports commentary, E-Prime, and your weather report and forecast. But before all of that, here is our feedback question. This evening we are asking, how have you been impacted by the rising cost of food? You can share your comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica, or tweet at televisionjam1. Please stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.